Alright, boys and girls, we are going to take apart the Blackberry 8300 in gold, as you can see. First, of course, you take off the battery and the battery door cover. Make sure there's no memory card or SIM card inside. First, you take a T5 screwdriver or Torx 5. Take out the back two screws. And then the bottom clip here, you can just peel it off with your finger. Be careful for the antenna stickers right there if you rip that. So then peel off the rails. Halfway down like that. And there's little clips that keep the faceplate on here and here. Just lift those up. Use whatever you like. I happen to use a screwdriver. A little bit of force. Faceplate comes right off. Now use a T6. Take out the bottom screws. And you can remove the rails completely now. Now for the keypad cover, again, T6. Kind of pops up like this. So you have the keypad cover and then the LCD protector, which also has the earpiece inside. And then the LCD is here, connected to the motherboard. Just use your nail, pull it off, remove the back. And to take it a step further, you can pull off the LCD. It's glued on there with a little bit, just a little bit of force, so pull it right off. And there you go. Nice, naked 8300.